How to change ringtone on FB Messenger. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to change ringtone on FB Messenger. So first is you have to make sure that your Messenger application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Messenger. Let's type in Messenger here. Messenger. And then click on Messenger, and if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you may want to go back to your home page and open up Messenger, and basically it will directly go to your message or your chat page. So you will see all your chats there, and on your upper left part you will see your profile. You click on that, and here you will see different options such as Facebook, dark mode, message requests, your archive chats. Now if you scroll all the way down, you will see under the preferences, you will see the notifications and sound. So you click on notifications and sound, and here you could customize your notification and your ringtone, since we want to change our ringtone on FB Messenger. So let's just choose different ringtone that is set there, so you could actually hear or just pick the ringtone that you're comfortable or you want your ringtone to sound like. And let's say just go 26, and basically that is how you change your ringtone on FB Messenger. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.